So in this quick video, we're just going to have a look at how we calculate the percentage by mass. So in this question, we're going to look at how to calculate the percentage by mass of copper chloride. It's given us the equation for it just there. So give your answer to three significant figures. So the relative formula masses, 35.5 and 63.5. So remember that you were not given these equations in the chemistry exam. So you need to remember that the percentage by mass is equal to the percentage of the element in the compound divided by the MR of the compound. So the first thing that we need to do is calculate the mass of the atoms. So we know that one atom of copper weighs 63.5. We know that we've got one of them. So its total mass is going to be 63.5. We then need to go and work out the mass of the compound. So we're going to have 63.5 plus 2 times 35 to give us a total mass of 134.5. Then finally, we're going to go and do that 63.5 divided by the total mass and then turn it into a percentage. We're going to times it by 100 to give us 47.2. Right, so if you follow this method every time, you should go and get this type of question right in the